Hey guys, we are back. I believe this is part 5. We are starting the quarter panels today on this big beast. Some massive quarter panels, so I've got some help coming to help me put them on and take them off a million times till we figure out where we're going to cut them and everything and get that all right. But I got some help on the way, so till then, let's go take a look at the car. All right, guys, quarter panels on this. For the most part, it's pretty good from here up, but unfortunately we're going to go ahead and replace the whole thing. On this side we're going to do it a little different. We're probably going to cut it about right in here, somewhere in here, and then it'll come out, and then we'll have probably a cut somewhere about in here all the way down just below this line here. And then we'll flange it on the this side here, and then our new panel will sit up there nice and flush. And yeah, the other side we're going to do it a little bit different. We're going to take it a little bit higher, but since most of this is good up here, we didn't feel the need to go that high. This side over here, I'm going to actually take it on up a little bit higher, but to clear all this. And then we'll just flange this side back in here all the way down, and save that part of this part of the quarter. But we'll get to that. Until then, we're going to get the new quarter panels in and get them all taped up and cut down to about the size we need, so we can put them up there and they'll fit. Let's get to it. All right, guys, real quick, I got the quarter panel set up here, and we're going to trim it out. Like I was saying, I laid my tape out here about halfway here, but I judged it off of what I needed to cut up here. But I laid it out so I got a nice and straight, clean line the whole way. I'll stay on that line 100%. You can see I started cutting it a little bit. But this way, I don't need any of this extra stuff. And I'll be able to seam this real nice with the flange tool, and you won't see it at all when we're done. But I'll get this cut, and then we'll get it put up on there, and we'll be back. All right, guys, me and my helper got this quarter panel shaved and put up there. I just cut it all along that line, like I said, and then we brought it around here and just lifted it straight on, and that's how it fits. Pretty good. This is all movable, so it'll fit where it's supposed to. It fits perfectly around the bottom. Everything lines up great. So I'm going to go ahead and have him push on this panel here a little bit, and then we'll make a mark here with a marker, and then we'll cut about a ½ inch over, maybe 3/8 of an inch or so. That way we'll leave room for our flange tool, so we have some extra material to weld up. Pretty simple, but it takes 2 people, so here we are. We'll be back. Alright, guys, real quick, I made the line, and then I measured 3/8 of an inch down, made another tape line. So I'm not cutting on the line where my quarter was. I'm cutting 3/8 of an inch below it, and that'll give us enough room for our flange tool. I just wanted you guys to see that, where I was cutting it and everything. Now, if you need a whole quarter, your cut's going to be up into here basically, but fortunately for us, this is all surface rust and stuff, and everything here is in good shape, all this channel and everything, so we're going to save it. But yeah, we'll be back after we get this cut, and you guys can check it out. Alright, guys, we are back. The quarter is off. I cut it around the top on that mark. I cut it on my marks down here. We used the air hammer and picked it out around here, that little section. The bottom was all free because we already cut it from the panel there. Around here, I just used the air hammer and just knocked it out since I'm replacing this panel here anyway. So That's pretty much it for this side for today. I've got a little bit of rust repair to do down here, and then I got to cut this wheel well out and replace it. So for today, we're going to go ahead and set up for the passenger side and get it cut and get it fitted on there. So we'll be back. All right, before I go through and cut the passenger side and finish that, I wanted to show you guys kind of the way I did this around the gas fill here. I just cut it out like this since we're going to be replacing this instead of drilling these spot welds. It's way faster, and this is going to be coming out anyway, so no big deal. But on this here, on our old panel, there's no stamping for our trim. So on this panel here, and the same on the passenger side, I'm going to be making some extra cuts and cutting out the the holes or whatever, using this basically as a template. So I cut it out and I'll grind it all up, clean it up so I don't get cut up on it, and then lay it over here on the new panel and mark all the holes and drill them and have it all ready for the new clips so we can put the new chrome on. But that's I just wanted to show you guys that, and now we're going to go over here and set up and start cutting this quarter here. We already made the cut for the quarter panel. It's already shrunk down to where we need it. We've got our tape up here and everything, and I've made a little slice there where our cut's going to be. But I'll go ahead and set the tripod up and we'll finish this out. All right, guys, it's off. Not too hard. You just follow your lines, make your cuts, try to keep them as straight as you can. You see back here where I used my air hammer and peeled this apart. Way easier than drilling spot welds. I've said it before in many videos. Some people insist you got to drill these spot welds out, but a little damage here on this, but that can easily be fixed. No problem. I got a little bit of repairs to do here on this lip. I'm not going to replace the wheel tub because it's in good shape, but I'm going to cut this lip out and make a new one. This side looks pretty good, not much rust repair, but yeah, that's pretty much it. Pretty quick, simple, and easy way to remove them. Putting them on is not quite as easy, but thanks for watching. If you keep watching, we'll be hopefully grinding all this up and installing the new panels hopefully in the next day or so. I got a little bit of work to do, like I said, on the wheel tubs, but it's coming along. Well, let's get to it. All right, we knocked out a little bit of work. Didn't film a whole lot, but I wanted to come back in here and show you guys we got everything completely ground and sanded and all the crap off. We got a coat of self-etching primer on everything, weld through primer, so we can know that it's not going to rust after we get our panel on. We got this here flanged all the way down. I've showed that a few times in some other videos. It's not real hard. We got all this ground all the way around. Everywhere the quarter panel meets, we got it all ground and everything. As far as the panel goes, we just had to grind where we're going to be welding. So you can take a look there. I ground it all the way down, and then I punched holes everywhere that's going to be welded.
but I had to do a little bit of cutting and fitting to make it work, but I think I got it now. So I'm going to set this up here on a tripod, and we will give it a test fit. I don't really have any help today, but we'll see what we can do. Alright guys, the quarter is on with clamps. You can see below, clamps. I don't have a way to clamp it up top here yet, so I will drill some hole, or actually probably use some self-tappers to hold it in place. You can see it kind of flexes around there, so I kind of got to get it where I need it, push it together, screw it in, and then I'll start tacking it up. Not a whole lot to it. Everything went together really good. You can see right here, everything meets pretty nice. Yeah, that's pretty much it. I will go ahead and start tacking it up everywhere that it's good and ready, and then I will work my way back, fit it all together, and weld it up. Let me know if you guys got any questions. Just put them in the comments. Anything I can do to help. If you got any questions on why I did anything the way I did, just ask. Thanks for watching. Alright guys, first set of tacks is on. Went ahead and tacked it all the way down through there, all the way around. Welded it pretty good all the way through there. Tacked it all the way through the bottom like it's supposed to, all the way down there. Welded this up. There's a lot of lead in there, so it's kind of ugly welds a little bit, but that's all right. We'll fill that in and it'll be no problem. It all went on pretty easy. Everything turned out nice and straight. Pretty happy with it. We'll set the tripod up and get on the other side tomorrow. All right, we are back. I got the wheelhouse all repaired. Like I said before, I didn't use the whole entire wheelhouse. Didn't need to. All this was good. There was no rot. Went ahead and spliced it in here, welded it all up into there, all the braces, everything lined up exactly perfect how it was supposed to. Really happy with the fitment of it. Just kind of slid right into place exactly where it needed to, and clamped it, and then I just started tacking it, and everything went well. Next, I've already got everything ground and ready, so next we will go ahead and try to lift that quarter up there. I'm by myself again, so we'll try and see how we do, but we'll lift it up there and see how it fits. All right, I got the quarter up there all by myself. Not too bad. It lines up really good. I had to go and make a couple extra notches like here, so it'll fit up there a little more snug. You can see everything lined up really nice with the gas tank there, so I guess I must have put it in the right spot. But there's always a chance for mistakes there, but luckily we got that one. This right here just needs pushed in a little bit and tacked down at the bottom. This panel here just needs pulled in a little bit and then tacked. But for the most part, everything is lined up and fitting perfect. So I'm going to go ahead and throw some tacks in it, and we'll be back. All right, guys. The quarter is on. I've got everything just tacked in place. I didn't weld it all the way up yet. I'm going to throw some tacks around here. Got all the ones at the bottom all done. Threw a couple in here to hold it. And then across the top, I just, every couple inches to make sure you
space it out so you don't burn it up and warp it. But for the most part, it went easy. I did it all by myself today. Everything went pretty smooth. It looks pretty good. If you guys have any questions or comments, or need anything answered, just holler at me. I'll try to help you out. It's not a hard job. Once it's cut down a little bit, like I did on both of them, you can pretty much manage it all by yourself if need be. It's always best to have a helper, but it can be done by yourself. I guess that's all I got for today, guys, for the quarter panels. Like I said, any questions, don't hesitate to ask. Next week, we will be starting on the body work, and hopefully we can get this thing in some primer. Thanks for watching, guys.